हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम है प्रकाश कुमार और मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूँ हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर, जहाँ पर आप अपनी नॉलेज बढ़ाने के लिए रोज़ एक नए वीडियोज़ को देख सकते हैं, और वो भी हिंदी में। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले एक छोटे से रिक्वेस्ट है दोस्तों, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ नीचे दिए गए हुए सब्सक्राइब के बटन को दबा दीजिएगा और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, ताकि जब भी हम आपके लिए नॉलेजेबल वीडियोज़ को अपलोड करें तो इसका नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुँच जाए। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे with a pointer in C. Here we have to solve questions of C problem of the topic pointer in C. Here you have to read all the instruction. What are the objectives? Here it is a pointer in C is a way to share a memory. In this challenge, you will learn to implement the basic functionalities of pointer in C. C में pointer के basic functionality को implement करेंगे. Here we have to read a pointer in C is a way to share a memory address among different contexts, primarily functions. They are primarily used whenever a function needs to modify the content of variable that it does not own. So here we have to use pointer to modify our code. That will help us to. It cannot solve their problems by their own, by the help of variables. So let's start. Given that int asterisk p equal to address of val. Val, it is a variable, and address val means ampersand val, that is address of a variable, which the memory address of variable val is assigned to a pointer p and can be shared among various functions. तो यहाँ पर फ्रेंड्स जो val का मेमोरी एड्रेस है वो पॉइंटर p के साथ शेयर किया गया है और उसको हम लोग अलग अलग फंक्शंस में यूज कर सकते हैं. Now we have to read the task. You have to read all the information that you need to know about it. Let's read the task. So the task should be complete the function void update int asterisk a, that will be pointer a, int asterisk b. It receives two integer pointers, that will be a and b. Set the value of a to their sum and b to their absolute difference. There is no return value and no return statement is needed. Here we have to not use any return statement. So we have to perform two operations. First operation is sum and the second operation is difference. So let's start our next data. Here you have to see that there will be two input by the user, that will be the a and b. We have to modify the two values, and after performing operation we have to give output like that. If we add 4 and 5, the value equal to 9, and when we minus 4 minus 5, then the value will be minus 1. So here we have to take attention that when we subtract 4 from 5, then we get the answer in negative, but we have to give output in positive number. So we have to very attentive here. Now how to perform this, let's talk about it. So the first of all you have to add, which is very easy for you to add 4 and 5 and give output as 9, but it is difficult to give output 4 minus 5 equal to 1. So we have to use modulus that we learned about in our previous classes, that it converts the negative number in positive number and also keep positive number as a positive number. So how to do it, let's learn it from our code. So here input data is also given in this code. So first of all we have to write our standard library header file that will help us to write our code easy. So the std library, which is helpful for the using a special function, that is abstractions. Abstractions means which abstract the value of negative into the positive. So let's start our code. Here we have to take integer value, then we have to add and we have to subtract. We have to perform two operations. So we have to take in two variables to perform operations. Now we have to first of all add the two variables. For that I am writing the code, that is add equal to, now here we have to add, so we have to perform operation here, add equal to asterisk of a and asterisk of b. We have to add both of them and keep that value in add variable. Here we have used pointer a and pointer b because the value of a and b is stored at address of a and b, that will be provided into the pointer of a and pointer of b. So the value of that address is pointer a and pointer b. So we have to add this as a result. Now we have to subtract that. We have to take some concept about it, that when we get a negative number, then we have to convert it into positive number. For that we have already studied that std library, we have to use it. So now we have to use a special function, that is abs abstract, which abstract the negative value into the positive value and also keep the positive value into the positive value. So let's write it also. After that we have to put the value of add and subtract into the pointer of a and pointer of b, because when you see the last statement of this code, there will be printf %d \n %d a comma b. We have to print the value of a and b as a sum and difference. So for that we have to store the add value into the pointer a and we have to store the subtract value into the pointer b, because at last we have to print only a and b. After writing this, now we have to run this code. I am going to run my code. So here we have to get congratulations notification that will tells me that our code is successfully run. Now we have to submit our code and get points and move on to the next questions. After the submitting code, there will be 5 test cases that will be performing by the code. After passing, now it can pass all the processes. So let's go into the next questions. Thank you friends.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दोस्तों हमारे वीडियोस को पूरा देखने के लिए। यदि आप चाहते हैं हम आपके लिए ऐसे ही नॉलेजेबल वीडियोस अपलोड करते रहें तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर लें, ताकि जब भी हम ऐसे वीडियोस अपलोड करें इसका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच जाए। बाय बाय फ्रेंड्स।